This is a tutorial on how to assemble a megaminx. This is the core and I have a bunch of pieces over here. I'm going to start on white, but you do not have to. First you need to find an edge with white on. I'm just going to use this one, the white and yellow one, and put it in like this. Then get another edge with white on, this time the one that's next to it, so blue or purple in this case because I've chosen yellow. I'm going to do yellow. I'm going to choose the blue and white one and place it in here. So you have this kind of shape. Then get the corner for these three pieces. Which is this one. And put it in like this. As you can see, it's like this. Now go here and put the edge that goes here, which is yellow and blue here. I have a yellow and blue edge. And now I have this shape. Now, do the same thing you just did, but with these ones, so like this. As you can see, I have the piece that goes there. And now I find the corner for that place, which is the blue, green and yellow corner. This one. And you place it in just like you did before. You kind of like slide it up there. And then you put the next edge here. Yeah, and you just keep repeating that until you get to the last layer. It will eventually start changing because it's because it won't work because it will hit this. So what you eventually will have to do before you get to the last layer is this. You have to slot it in at the top and down like that. Once you've done that and you have one center left, then choose one edge to do. I'm going to do beige green. You don't have to, but you can. And kind of like just put it in. It might pop out another nearby one, but it might not. On mine it doesn't, but it might for you. And then you get a corner nearby that goes nearby, like this one. And you do that, you try try and hook it underneath, kind of, almost. Like that. Then do the one on the other side. Here. There. Then do this edge, which might be a bit harder, but then, yes, do that. Then do this corner. There. Then do this edge. There. And put it in. Like that. Don't worry if it comes apart, just put it back together if it does, because that might happen. And put this in. Put in the edge. There. Then put in this corner. Then this last piece might be a bit difficult, but turn it like this, like that, and try and like wiggle it in. Like, no, try and put it under and push it in with force. And then that's how you do the megaminx, that's how you assemble it. Thanks for watching. And if you found it helpful or enjoyed the tutorial, please consider subscribing.